Welcome to the Grid's Consumer Protection Platform. What you're about to see is a technological platform that was designed by me to create scalable business rules and mitigate risk for consumers when it comes to the mortgage process and the mortgage industry in general. Unfortunately, over the last several years, the mortgage industry has become really a formula, and what they are is they're aggregators of information. Taxes, title, insurance, payoff, second mortgage payoff, subordinations, pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, tax returns, the list goes on. And the unfortunate thing is the guy that you're talking to or dealing with is not a decision maker anymore in today's environment. They're really working off of a formula, and the key is to make sure that you're not at risk. 10 years ago I started designing this technological platform, or technology platform. I'm not sure technological is a word, but the reality of it is, as the bubble was growing in the American economy, the mortgage and the title industry were basically throwing problems at the body, or throwing bodies at the problem. And the technological revolution sort of passed the mortgage and title industry by. And what I did was, rather than throw bodies at it, I began to program the industry away and create a platform that would actually protect consumers, because I began to recognize that there's really no upside from one mortgage company to the next, but there's tremendous downside. It's kind of like going to the store and buying corn off the shelves. You got 3 brands there. You're really only making the purchase because of which one might make you sick or not. There's no upside to corn. There's real downside to having your jaw dislocate like a snake eating an egg and just blasting it out like a fire hose if you got a hold of some bad food, and cleaning up identity theft and finding $40,000 worth of bills on your credit report that didn't belong to you. Well, that didn't happen buying a pack of gum. That happens because of taxes, title, insurance, payoff, second mortgage payoff, subordinations, all the documentation involved. Take a look at this platform that I've built. Understand the way that we're going to protect you in ways that other players in this industry will not, and check us out, because there's not, I used to go, whenever I went and bought a car, I'd walk in with an envelope and I'd have 5 pieces of paper in there, and I would just tell the guy, hey, you know what, at the end of the day, you're going to get my business based on giving me the best possible deal of any company within this envelope. But I didn't really go talk to all those companies, because you know what, a car is a car. And nowadays a mortgage is a mortgage, and shopping around for a mortgage is really not, it should be based on rates, it should be based on fees, all of that, yes, but at the end of the day there's not much upside to choosing one company or another, but there's tremendous downside. So take a look at the platform, take a look at the way that we're going to protect you, and hopefully you'll decide to do business on the Grid.